Hi guys, today we will talk about the usage of ChatPDF to interact with PDF documents. There are so many good use cases for this, but it's really perfect for a longer document like research papers, technical document like instruction manuals, or financial and legal documents like business annual reports and contracts. It's like having the author of the document on the other end of the chat will not have only all answered questions, but will provide a clarification and the explanation. So let's dive into it. As you can see, I am on the homepage of ChatPDF, and it is the first interface which you will see after signing in your Google account. You can use it without signing in your account, but if you want to check the history of your chat, then you have to sign in your Google account. Now, after signing in, if you have a PDF file, then you can upload PDF, and then your computer browser will be open, and you can upload your PDF file. Just for example, I have some transaction history of my account. So I will click on it, and we open it. Now it will analyze it, and will show suggestions. Here you can see it saying, it's an account statement. And this one is the overview, and the key points of this account belongs to this name, and here is the amount. Now these are the questions I can ask to summarize this account. Or what were the main reasons behind the significant withdrawals from this account? Or the last question is this. You can also ask your own question by clicking on it. And here write the question which you want to ask to the chat PDF. Just for example, I will say summarize this account statement. Now it will start summarizing. If I scroll down, and in this account statement, you will see all the important things which you have in this PDF. So using the PDF, you can easily analyze longer documents without paying attention by yourself. So basically, it's very helpful in your daily life. Just like if you are a student, then it'll summarize all the key points on your notebook. So I will recommend you to use this chat PDF, and it was the way by which you can use it easily.